has been called off by AIIMS. In fact, I'll go across to Piyush, my colleague, joining us live from the Safdarjung Hospital. This is breaking news coming in now. The doctors, the resident doctors who've been protesting outside the Safdarjung Hospital, they met the minister. There was a group of doctors who met the minister. The minister assured that when the court reopens, the government would ensure that they put their stand in front of the court. There seems to be some development. AIIMS has called off the protest. There was supposed to be another meeting held at 8 p.m. this evening. Let me go across to Piyush, who will be joining us in just a few seconds. Piyush is just joining us live. We will go across to him. There has been a breaking news update. The doctors had placed their demands in front of the government. In fact, a few minutes back, they also said on record to Republic TV that they want a written assurance from the government. And we were told that even AIIMS doctors would be joining the protest tomorrow. And we'll go across to Piyush, who will be joining us live in just a few seconds from now. Piyush has been reporting from there, and AIIMS will not be taking part in this protest. But as far as Safdarjung Hospital doctors, resident doctors are concerned, still waiting for an official detail. In fact, we have the press release that has been put out by the Residents Doctors Association at AIIMS. Amidst growing concerns and tensions regarding manhandling of protesting doctors by the Delhi police, and a letter from the RDA, the Resident Doctors Association saying that they're calling off the protest. And this is the breaking news update, the letter that has just been put out by the AIIMS Resident Doctors Association. This is the breaking news coming in. This is the Resident Doctors Association at AIIMS that has just confirmed that regarding the manhandling of protesting doctors by the Delhi police, a letter from RDA AIIMS New Delhi Health Minister has met with the resident doctors, released a press statement assuring that NEET PG 2021 counselling will be held at the earliest. He has also reproached the manhandling of resident doctors by Delhi police, and that we hope that the matter will be resolved at the earliest. Shravan is also joining us live. Let me go across to him. Just taking a couple of minutes to get Piyush live as well. Piyush, Shravan, coming to you first up. Before we go across to Piyush, there seems to be some sort of a resolution. In fact, the doctors who are protesting wanted a written assurance from the government, but AIIMS doctors are convinced that the matter will be resolved at the earliest.
Well, in fact, you've already heard Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya already speaking to the media just a while back, where he said that as far as the government is concerned, that they are going to take care of all the concerns that have essentially been raised by the doctors. Remember, there has been a massive protest on the streets of the national capital today, where we have essentially seen the kind of demands that have been made with regards to the NEET counselling to actually take place, and the pressure that has been on the junior doctors at this point in time. Now, there have been some legitimate concerns that have been raised by the doctors at this stage, something that the government has basically taken cognizance of. As far as the AIIMS doctors are concerned, now remember, the AIIMS doctors have basically called off the protest. This comes after the kind of assurances that have already been made by the government. However, having said that, there has also been a section, Niranjan, who are not really convinced unless the kind of assurances that have been made by the government is written on paper, and that assurance is fulfilled at some stage. Unless that happens, there have been doctors on the ground who are basically demanding that they are not really fully convinced. But with the AIIMS doctors now calling off their protest, perhaps it is going to send across the message that at least there has been some sort of a communication with the government. The government is willing to hear them out and try to resolve this entire matter, keeping the pandemic in view. That is the reason why the government essentially made a request to the doctors that they should return to duty, because this is going to put some more pressure on a system that has already seen the kind of pressure over the last 2 years with the pandemic, and with the doctors now essentially saying that there is too much pressure on them when it comes to the kind of resources that are basically available. Because remember, you don't have the first year students coming in, and the entire thing is right now on the second year batch of the doctors, the junior doctors who are basically available. The third years are going to be going out very soon. So it is essentially going to be on one batch of doctors who are going to stretch it out. In fact, there have been doctors who have been speaking to us also indicating that, as it is currently, they're working for almost 48 hours at a stretch, sometimes even more than that. So it is already a big stretch as far as the doctors are concerned. And unless you bring in the first year doctors or first year junior doctors, it is only going to stretch the limited resources that you have. Something that the government essentially has indicated that they have taken into cognizance, but remains to be seen whether at all this is going to really, on the ground, it's going to make further changes. But with the AIIMS doctors now calling off their protest, it is certainly going to be some sort of a relief, but it's perhaps only going to be a partial relief at this point in time.
Going across to Piyush, joining us live from outside the protest venue. This is outside the Safdarjung Hospital. Many patients speaking on camera, some even broke down, saying that they've travelled from different states, different parts of the country to get the best treatment available in the national capital, but haven't been able to do so. And these are the poorest of the poor who are waiting for help. Piyush, we are hearing AIIMS has called it off. You are outside the Safdarjung Hospital. Will the protest by Safdarjung doctors continue, or is that also being called off?
Well, Ranjan, what we are learning is that at around 8:30 there will be a meeting of AIIMS RDA, and then a decision will be taken. Most likely, this protest of AIIMS RDA doctors will also be called off, because remember that after meeting with the health minister, a delegation of AIIMS of Safdarjung RDA had also met with the RDA doctors there at the Safdarjung hospital itself, where they were trying to make the other resident doctors understand about the meeting which took place with health minister. But at that time, the doctors who were already agitated, they did not listen to them, and that is why this meeting was postponed for 8:30 p.m. So 8:30 p.m. what we are learning is that the meeting of Safdarjung RDA doctors will take place, and then a decision will be taken. But sources are suggesting to us that even they are going to call off their protest, and they will continue their services. They will resume their services from tomorrow onwards. That is, after 8:30 when the meeting takes place, a decision would be out. So tomorrow is going to be an important day. We'll have to wait and watch if Safdarjung RDA takes a similar decision what has been taken by AIIMS RDA. If you talk about the AIIMS RDA, they have said that after meeting with the health minister, they have now decided to call off their protest as their demands have been met. Remember that
let's wait and watch, Piyush, what happens at 8 o'clock and 8:30 when they meet. Final word on the protesting doctors at Safdarjung Hospital. They will meet after 8 o'clock, hoping for some news coming out of the national capital in a few minutes from now.